Hey guys, welcome to my vacation house tour. So hapa ni mlango, kitchen, that's the living room, dining room, the first bedroom. Hizo closets ni kubwa aje. Oops. Washroom. This is the restroom or balcony area, I don't know. Ni kubwa. Yo. Sijui kama I'm doing justice. Ni kubwa sana. Hapo ndio tourists wamelala hapo. This is another home. So, apparently it's wengi. It's a 3-bedroom house. This is my room. Ndio nimeamka tu hata sijatandika. Hapa watu walikuwa wamelala hapa chini. It's a huge room. Check. Yeah, I think hapa napata a better view. And here we go for washrooms. Look at the washroom, jamani. Washroom kubwa. Oh my god, I'm still in my night dress. Nawambia nimetoka mka. Washroom ndio kubwa. Okay, and this is the closet. Look at this closet. This is our closet. It's a big one. This is the nika pantry, ka storeroom, alafu pia nalipa kufua ndo kwa hapa. Yeah, told you this house is huge. Another bedroom sijawaonyesha sababu ina mtu na wanalala, so that's it. I'm here with my family and other relatives, that's why. I hope you liked it. Bye.